Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing the Z Fold 6 from Samsung, which came out recently. And I ordered the navy blue. And along with my Fold, I also have the Spigen's screen guard for the top of the screen. So let's get started. So here is the Z Fold 6, and nowadays they send it with very nice and easy to open eco-friendly packaging. So we'll just pull up the tags and wow, it looks really awesome. This, as I told, it is the navy blue color. The finish looks quite premium, and this screen. So let's remove I would say remove from this part. So the screen looks really gorgeous. I mean, the hinge I can barely feel. So we will be also comparing the Z Fold 6 with the Z Fold 5 in another video, but as of now the crease looks really I think I'm unable to feel it. I mean, it's already gone, and I think in a couple of iterates I think it'll be completely gone. So now coming to the Spigen's screen guard. I mean, they really make good accessories for the phones. I really like their product. It is really cool. And so let me quickly pull it out. So what do they have? So basically there's something looks like a hammer. But I'm not sure. Okay, so I think there are some documentation, installation instructions, and I have something like hammer, but it is not the hammer, but it is with this bubble remover, I would say, and a nice packaging for that. And basically we have two screen guards, and they're already ready to be placed. And yeah, so now I think so it says clearly here top, so the phone's top would be this side. So let me quickly fold the phone and pull the cover out. And now I have to basically pull this protective layer here and place the phone like this so that it is at the top, and just press it. Just press and slide, press and slide. And yeah, I think it is almost done. And it says remove from here, so I will remove the protective cover and remove the phone out of this this setup. And as you can see, the screen guard is put up. I think the bubbles will go away easily. I mean, that's what I really like about Spigen. They make premium quality phone accessories, and it is quite easy to install. So for example, a screen guard, I mean, it is hassle free. It does not took much time to apply the screen guard, and it is quite easy. They have everything ready. Now let me pull out this protective case, and as you can see there is a small bubble here, but I think with time it should go away. Yeah, I think I will leave it as is. Let me turn on the phone. Yeah, it is on, and by the time it is turning on, I will just go through what they have in the case. So I assume that there might be some documentations and a charging cable, and I think if you want you can also order the adapters, the charging bricks. I think if you pre-ordered, then you will get it and get some 25 or up to 50% discount. So if you really need the charging bricks, don't forget to order it. And here it is turned on, and it looks really amazing. I mean, it's the crease here is really subtle, and it's quite better compared to the Fold 5. Here you cannot feel it. Really, it is kind of not. I'm unable to feel it, but we'll see how it goes on. So stay tuned. I'll be making gaming videos, how this Z Fold 6 performs with the latest mobile games. If you're interested, then you can see my next video. And thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe, help me and support so that I can grow. Thanks a lot. See you then. Bye bye.